Hi, Autumn. Zachariah.
I'm foraging for food. Must have food, any kind of food. DJ, do you have any food?
Skylar. How old are you? Skylar.
What?
How old are you?
I'm 4.
When are you going to be 5?
You get big.
What are you going to be when you get big?
5.
No, what are you going to be? Like Batman, Superman?
Power Ranger.
You're going to be Power Rangers?
Yeah.
Potty Pants?
No, Power Rangers like don't pee. I'm hungry. I don't know.
What are you going to be when you... are you going to have a Batman car when you get big?
A Batman Power Ranger car.
What's Mommy going to be when she gets big?
Hannah.
Hannah Montana?
Yeah. Girls be that.
Girls be that?
Yeah.
What does guys be?
Batman, Power Ranger, Superman. Don't forget Army Man.
What were you when you were born? Were you a boy or a girl when you were born?
I've been a boy.
Was I a boy when I was born?
Oh no, you've been a girl.
Okay. I'm glad we got that straight.
I thought when Skylar was born, he was a girl.
That was you.
No, I ate my twin.
You ate your twin?
Mhm.
You had a twin? And you ate it?
It was a girl. I ate her.
You're very imaginative. So how...
There was 2 babies. And one was my twin. I ate her.
Really? For real? You really were a twin?
Who wants you?
I don't have no room over here.
Mama.
Give it to your dad.
She's crying. She wants me.
What'd you do to her, DJ?
I didn't do it. The dog did.
What are you doing, DJ? Tell her to go around. Derek, where's my dog? Fern, there you are, my baby. Autumn Rose, what are you doing? You want to drink of my pop? You want to drink of my pop? Yeah? Be careful. Hey, you. Come here.
You just had a Mountain Dew.
Autumn.
Zachary.
Autumn. Look at Mommy. Is that pop? Can you say pop? Say pop. Say pop. No?
Who has any food? I'm hungry.
No one has any food.
And what is that?
You ate your baby. You should be fine.
What's that?
That's Autumn. Are you being a ninja?
No, I've been Power Ranger.
Potty pants? Oh my God, Autumn! Look at what Autumn did. Shame on you.
What did she do? Oh! Dad, look at his feet.
How do you stop this thing?
Hit the same button you did to turn on.